This brand is assembled in the USA by Climate Master for heat controller, which is a part of Mars. The units feature intelligent controls with a gateway to display operational and diagnostic data on a communicating thermostat. They have two-stage scroll compressors as well as a variable speed fans and loop pumps for added energy savings and durable stainless steel drain pans that eliminate the problem of rust. They offer an option where all of the water circulation components are built into the unit so it is easier to install. The units are backed by a good guarantee, but they are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA. They use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32, and they only use standard 1-inch filters which do not do as good of a job of cleaning the air as brands that use 2-inch. The HE series models have a 21.7 ER efficiency and are for either upflow or horizontal installation, while the HZ series models can also be installed in downflow applications and have a 26.4 ER efficiency. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.